Hi everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. This video, I've got a parcel from my friend's Mac. They sent me a couple of cars. Let's get them opened up and see what they're like. I've been after one of these cars for a long time. But this one's got a bit of damage on it, so I want to see what it's like. Might be able to repair it. It's very well packaged. Loads of bubble wrap. That's one. And guess what it is yet? This is the other one. I'll open this one first. Oh yeah, this is the super slot Spanish version. Lebet's Ford Sierra. I sold this. Well, we did a deal. We did a deal for this with this car, me and Mac, and I regretted really letting it go, so I've got it back. So that's one car. It's brand new, never been used, never been out of the box, not done a lap. And this one is this is a decent car. All other ones are in the range. This is a Gordon Shedden Honda Civic Type R. Aerial's still on there, both mirrors are still on there, wipers are still on there. Tyres, they look alright. I don't know what were damaged. Well, it said it was damaged anyway. We'll take this guide disc off here. Easy chip guide disc, that can go. Oh, that's it. That little wire there is broken on bottom of car. But the things stay on that. The guide discs hold that on. So that'll be alright. So I've got that Honda. To race with Matt Neal's Honda 52 and 25. We've got Gordon Shedden's white Honda. And we've got Jake Hill's NB Motorsport white Honda. So they're all looking good. So what we'll do is I think I'll put a chip in this and we'll give it a blast. So I can race all these. Yeah, all these three are all chips. We'll just get a chip. I've done some chipping videos before, and this is hard as it is. This is as difficult as it is to chip a car in Scale Electric. So that's me. I've opened the packet. I'm now splitting the packet. I've got the chip out in my hand. Throw this lot in the bin, all this rubbish. So we want a screwdriver. You undo your screw for your little flap. Put your screw down. Pull your flap out like so. Just grip hold of your wires, unplug that like that. Toss that to one side. Plug your chip in to your wiring like that. Put your flap in, hook that back in, put that screw back on. That's it. Bob's your uncle. Sorted. Piece of piss. As easy as that. And that's it. That car's now digital. So we'll put the old alternate track on. Let's move these back into my storage facility. I've got this Bentley Continentals from Mac as well, so I'll do that for a chip. So what you do is, for whatever colour chip you want, whatever colour control you want your car to run with, you go to your Art Pro power base. Hang on. Art Pro power base. There are all your controllers. Press that button twice, once, twice. Flashes. That should be it. That's it. So now it's chipped. So just move this stuff out of the way. Not a very good start, is it? Not going well, this, is it, today? So I need to, on my track now, I just need to put some borders on, cut my own borders out, and do a few bits. Do a few yeah, it's running alright, this Honda. So I'll chip this Bentley up. I'll chip this Bentley and then go from there. Try it Bentley out, see what it goes like. So same again, undo that screw on the little door. Lift your flap out. Just grip your wires. That unplugs like that. Just as simple again. Get your chip out your packet, brand new chip. This is as quick as it takes. I'm not pausing it or editing the video or anything. This is genuinely how long it takes to chip a car. And it's with these flaps, these door type C8515 chips. That's as easy as it is. And obviously you're not holding engine in it, so you just nip that screw up, just nip it up. You don't have to tighten it. You have to crank it right round and you have to crank it right round and bust it out. Nice and steady with it. So that's it chipped. I'll put my track back on. And same again, press the red button twice. Once, twice. When it stops flashing, that's it chipped. So let's put it in a different place. These are a bit long, this coming track. Just need to like I said, just need to make the borders up. Just need to fill my track in where it's a bit tight for these longer cars. Oops. Just crashed that. Yeah, so that's it really. Move this out way. It's a lot different, this small track now compared to my old track. You've got to really drive this track. You can't really. You've got to concentrate to put the right quick timing. So yeah, you got to concentrate right quick, right hard. It's a good track though. It'll be good when I've got it to hinge. I've just got to cut that track there and sort that lot out on that, and just before that crossroad, and then I can do and then carry on with it then. Right, I'm going to call that a day because my tea's ready, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.